Hello everyone, welcome to Hindi Vidya. I'm your teacher Vaishali. On this channel, I teach you how to speak fluent Hindi and to communicate effectively in Hindi. So yes, if you want to learn Hindi, this is the right channel for you. Today I am going to talk about one of the most confusing topic in Hindi, gender. In Hindi, we call it ling. The synonyms of the ling संकेत, पहचान या निशान. There are two types of gender in Hindi for every noun, even is non-living thing. First, feminine means striling. Second, masculine means purling. The most common question I hear is how do we identify the gender of noun in Hindi and when should we use masculine or feminine gender. By the end of this video, you will surely understand how to determine the gender of noun and when to use them correctly. You still have any doubts after watching, feel free to comment below. If you still have any doubt after watching the video, feel free to comment below. I will give my best. Before we start, don't forget to like, share or subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. Also, I love to know where you are watching from. Comments your country name in Hindi. For example, you can say मैं भारत से हूँ. I am from India. You can use this sentence for both male and female. There is no you need to use any kind of gender. But when you say I lives in India, then you have to use मैं भारत में रहती हूँ for female and मैं भारत में रहता हूँ for male. Now first we will learn how to identify gender. Here I will teach you how to recognize it and explain the difference, but you will only understand this topic properly with a lots of practice. In my personal experience, sometimes it's hard to tell when to use feminines and when to use masculine. So I just check which one is sounds better. Like मैं जाती हूँ. It's feel better for me because I am girl. When somebody says like मैं जाता हूँ, it sounds good for boys because जाता. Most common difference between feminine and masculine in Hindi, you listen ta a sound for masculine and e sound for feminine. Like जाता, खाता, पीता, सोता, and for masculine जाती, खाती, पीती, सोती. Once you properly memorize words, you will start understanding when to use what. But for that, you first need to memorize the word. But first, we need to understand why we are doing this. We are doing this because in Hindi, every noun have a gender. No matter you are talking about living things or non-living things, everything have a gender. And adjectives or verbs agree with the noun's gender. Look, when I say ये सुंदर लड़का है, you all know I am talking about the masculine gender. But when I say ये सुंदर कमरा है, you might feel confused. Where is the person that indicates gender? I simply replaced लड़का with कमरा. Yet both still masculine words. So how we identify masculine words? Notice the a sound and the end of the words like ladka, kamra. This is a common pattern in Hindi. Similarly, when I say ये सुंदर लड़की है, you know I am referring to a girl. But when I say ये सुंदर कुर्सी है, confusion arise again. Now observe what's common between ladki and kursi. Both ends with E sound, which is common indicator of feminine words in Hindi. By paying attention to these endings, you can easily identify whether a word is masculine or feminine in Hindi. In Hindi, verbs are and adjective also change according to gender. For example, बड़ा कमरा, big room. बड़ा change according to masculine noun कमरा. Same, लंबी लड़की, tall girl. लंबी change according to लड़की, feminine words. Similarly, verb change. वो खाना खा रहा है. We are talking about boy. We are seeing a boy, so we are talking about that boy. Like वह खाना खा रहा है. Why we are saying वह खाना खा रहा है? Because we can see this is a boy. So we are saying वह खाना खा रहा है. और रहा है. There is again रहा है in the end of the bird. और ये this is the bird which is changed according to boy noun. And same, वह खाना खा रही है. Again, verb change according to noun. वह used for both boy and girl. Now you can easily tell me who is eating. Like when I say कौन खाना खा रही है, you know कौन खाना खा रही है. रही, e in sound in the end. So you know I am talking about a feminine or a girl. Same, when I say who is eating, कौन खाना खा रहा है. Now you know raha sound in verb and in the sentence end. So you are saying कौन खाना खा रहा है, लड़का खाना खा रहा है. I am talking about a boy. I hope आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है. And here is आ रहा for both feminine and masculine, because I don't know who is watching. So I say आ रहा है. और समझ is a masculine word. समझी is a feminine word. समझ is a masculine word. Okay. Let's take another word. वो मेरा बिस्तर था. That was my bed. Here बिस्तर ends with sound, a short sound. आ, छोटा आ sound. बड़ा आ loud आ, छोटा आ. It means it's masculine. Regardless of whether a boy or girl is speaking, it will always be bistar. The bistar. And था means past tense. बिस्तर है is present tense. ये मेरा बिस्तर है. And बिस्तर था refer for the past. When a girl saying ये मेरा बिस्तर थी, which is incorrect, because बिस्तर is always in masculine gender and singular form. So थी never comes. Who is, no matter who is saying. And when a boy says ये मेरा बिस्तर थे, again बिस्तर is a singular word. No matter are you using for more pupils or less pupil, or you talking about one person, bistar will be always bistar. Like ये उनके बिस्तर हैं. I am talking about more than one pupil, but again I am using here bistar, not bistare. Bistare is a wrong word. We can use ये उसका बिस्तर था for boy or a girl, his or her. ये उसका बिस्तर था. Again only बिस्तर, not बिस्तरे, and था, because it's a singular masculine and we use tha for past tense or boy or and for singular bird. So whether referring to he or she, बिस्तर remains उसका बिस्तर था, उनका बिस्तर था, मेरा बिस्तर था, उसका बिस्तर है, मेरा बिस्तर है, उनका बिस्तर है, उसका बिस्तर है. बिस्तर is remain same. बिस्तर. In some conditions we can say बिस्तरों, but I will teach you them in another video. That's a different topic. Now there is a question, why does not bistar change? As I told you, every noun have a gender and verb adjective follows them. So बिस्तर को यहाँ पे noun माना है और इसे verb follow कर रहा है. हम यहाँ पे verb बिस्तर के अकॉर्डिंग यूज़ कर रहे हैं, ना कि वह और यह pronoun के अकॉर्डिंग. We have learned and I hope you have understand the common difference in gender. If a word ends with a sound or a sentence ends with a verb, there is a masculine gender, and if there is a e sound in the end of any words or sentences, there will be feminine sound or feminine verb, feminine gender, feminine noun. There always everything is feminine. Now let's talk about common pattern to identify gender in words. Let's start with purling, means masculine. Here are some words by adding suffix apa. Let's make masculine words. Old age, budhapa, budhapa. Print or read, छापा, छापा. Measured, नापा, नापा. Simplicity, सिधापा, सिधापा. Obesity, मोटापा, मोटापा. Here are some masculine words with suffix av, rise, or this word can refer to climbing or progress. चढ़ाव, चढ़ाव. Decline or descent, उतराव, उतराव. Attachment, लगाव, लगाव. Stone pelting, पथराव, पथराव. Flow, बहाव, बहाव. Resting place, पड़ाव, पड़ाव. Fall or decline, गिराव, गिराव. Inclination or bend, झुकाव, झुकाव. Reduction, घटाव, घटाव. Here are some masculine words with suffix आवा, attire, पहनावा, पहनावा. Show off, दिखावा, दिखावा. Encouragement, बढ़ावा, बढ़ावा. When something is offered to deity, चढ़ावा, चढ़ावा. Regret or remorse, पछतावा, पछतावा. Here is some masculine word with suffix आर. Blacksmith, लुहार, लुहार. Potter, कुम्हार, कुम्हार. Fever, बुखार, बुखार. Goldsmith, सुनार, सुनहार. Behavior, व्यवहार, व्यवहार. Descent, उतार, उतार. Love, प्यार, प्यार. Uneducated, गवार, गवार. Food, आहार, आहार. market, बाजार, बाजार, tool, औजार, औजार, timeless, अपार, अपार, indications, आसार, आसार, husband, भातार, भातार, thought, विचार, विचार, टाइम और इंस्टेंस, बार, बार, अगेन एंड अगेन, बार बार, नंबर 4, चार, चार, डिफीट और गारलैंड, हार, हार, समरी, सार, सार, वायर, तार, तार, अटैक, बार, बार, फ्रेंड, यार, यार, पिकल, अचार, अचार, शेप, आकार, आकार, टाइप, प्रकार, प्रकार, पोमेग्रानेट, अनार, अनार, डिवाइन डिसेंट, अवतार, अवतार, थॉट, विचार, विचार, सिक, बीमार, बीमार, affection usually from elders, दुलार, दुलार, a musical instrument with string, guitar, guitar, expression or confession, izhar, izhar, refusal, इनकार, इनकार, makeshift solution to a problem, जुगाड़, जुगाड़, जंक, कबाड़, कबाड़, हैंगओवर, खुमार, खुमार, कैरेक्टर, किरदार, किरदार, पब्लिसिटी, प्रचार, प्रचार, गुड थॉट, सुविचार, सुविचार, बैड थॉट्स, कुविचार, कुविचार, रॉयल कोर्ट, दरबार, दरबार, फेस्टिवल, त्योहार, त्योहार, डार्कनेस, अंधकार, अंधकार, रिटेलिएशन, प्रतिकार, प्रतिकार, काइंडनेस, उपकार, उपकार. Some masculine word with the suffix of छोटा आ, human, मानव, demon, दानव, standard, मानक, मानक, life, प्राण, प्राण, holder, धारक, धारक, guardian, पालक, पालक, writer, लेखक, लेखक, रीडर, पाठक, पाठक, सिंगर, गायक, गायक, हेल्पर, सहायक, सहायक, रनर, धावक, धावक, हीरो, नायक, नायक. Let's know about some bird with the suffix of khana. These are masculine birds. पिजन हाउस, कबूतर खाना, कबूतर खाना, बेसमेंट, तह खाना, तह खाना, स्लॉटर हाउस, बूचड़ खाना, बूचड़ खाना, मेंटल असाइलम, पागल खाना, पागल खाना, फार्मेसी, दवा खाना, दवा खाना, प्रिजन, कैद खाना, कैद खाना, फैक्ट्री, कारखाना, कारखाना, लीडर ऑफ लीडर्स, खान खाना, खान खाना. Let's learn some masculine word with the suffix of twa. Gravity, गुरुत्व, गुरुत्व, importance, महत्व, महत्व, लाइटनेस, लघुत्व, लघुत्व, masculinity, पुरुषत्व, पुरुषत्व, responsibility, उत्तरदायित्व, उत्तरदायित्व, divinity, देवत्व, देवत्व, brotherhood, बंधुत्व, बंधुत्व, लीडरशिप, नेतृत्व, नेतृत्व, ओनरशिप, स्वामित्व, स्वामित्व, पर्सनल नेचर, निजित्व, निजित्व. Let's make masculine sentences with the suffix of dan. In Hindi, dan means charity, donation. When dan is used in words of Persian or Arabic origin, it generally means a container, holder, or a place for something. Flower base, फूलदान, फूलदान. Family, खानदान, खानदान. Ventilator, रोशनदान, रोशनदान. Betel leaf box, पानदान, पानदान. Dustbin, कूड़ादान, कूड़ादान. Let's make some masculine words with the suffix of era. Snake charmer, sapera, sapera. Robber, lutera, lutera. Maternal uncle son, fufera, fufera. Paternal uncle son, chachera, chachera. Maternal uncle son, mamera, mamera. Morning, savera, savera. Darkness, andhera, andhera. Here are some masculine words with suffix of bala. Vegetable seller, sabji bala, sabji bala. Milkman, दूध वाला, दूध वाला. Garbage collector, कचरे वाला, कचरे वाला. Fruit seller, फल वाला, फल वाला. Shopkeeper, दुकान वाला, दुकान वाला. Milkman, दूध वाला, दूध वाला. Water supplier, पानी वाला, पानी वाला. Flower seller, फूल वाला, फूल वाला. Shoe seller, जूते वाला, जूते वाला. Slipper seller, चप्पल वाला, चप्पल वाला. Tea seller, चाय वाला, चाय वाला. Driver, गाड़ी वाला, गाड़ी वाला. Policeman, पुलिस वाला, पुलिस वाला. Person from Delhi, दिल्ली वाला, दिल्ली वाला. Person from Mumbai, मुंबई वाला, मुंबई वाला. God, ऊपर वाला, ऊपर वाला. Someone living downstairs, नीचे वाला, नीचे वाला. रिक्शा ड्राइवर, रिक्शा वाला, रिक्शा वाला. न्यूज़पेपर वेंडर, अखबार वाला, अखबार वाला. न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर, समाचार वाला, समाचार वाला. ए पर्सन विद ए बिग हार्ट, दिल वाला, दिल वाला. Here are some masculine words with suffix pan. Childhood, बचपन, बचपन. Madness, पागलपन, पागलपन. Blackness, कालापन, कालापन. Familiarity, अपनापन, अपनापन. Novelty, बड़प्पन, बड़प्पन. Loneliness, अकेलापन, अकेलापन. Fairness, गोरापन, गोरापन. Obsession, दीवानापन, दीवानापन. Crudeness, गवारपन, गवारपन. Cheapness, छिछोरापन, छिछोरापन. Here is some masculine word with the suffix बाज. cunning person, चालबाज, चालबाज. Dramatic person, ड्रामेबाज, ड्रामेबाज. Betrayer, दगाबाज, दगाबाज. Cheater, धोखेबाज, धोखेबाज. Passionate lover, इश्कबाज, इश्कबाज. Fearless person, जानबाज, जानबाज. Sharpshooter, निशानेबाज, निशानेबाज. That's all for today's video. In the next video, we will learn more about masculine and feminine words. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment and I will try to solve your problem in the next video. I will talk to you all in my next video. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.